Hey guys, welcome to our video. And this video we wanted to show you a customized truck on a build that we did. This is an older style Ram 2500 heavy duty crew cab truck. It originally had this stake body on the back. So this is a bed that came off of the truck. It's all rotted out. It's kind of over here right now in our old parts graveyard. You can see that it was like all rusted out and it's rusty, and it's even worse like underneath. It's just all kind of gone and deteriorated. So we removed this bed and put a new bed on. What we did is we took that old one off and added in on this new stake body, and we undercoated the frame, got all the scale off, and we handcrafted these handrails on the side and painted those as well. They're all welded on. You can see all the welds in the paint. So that was brand new lights. It was a brand new stake body, and we made a toolbox on the other side. We'll go check that out. And on this side too, there's also a stake rail. We'll tie things off, and you can put posts in them if you want, if you need to. But we added in this box right here to kind of store things in. And we had to cut it down to fit, so it's something we're able to fabricate here. So when you open it up, there's a couple of cables that hold the lid from falling all the way down, and there's a tray inside to kind of separate things if you need to. And we painted the whole inside. We got to cut it, so we put it all back together to make it fit this particular vehicle, and it worked out really nice. There's a nice latch on it, so it kind of locks in place like that. So if you're in the area, we're located out of Amherst, New Hampshire. We also have a facility in North Franklin, Connecticut. Give us a call, and we can schedule you. We'll take a look at your truck and see what kind of fabrication work you may need done, and we'll give you a quote. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.